My masters sucked because I was overcooking with EQ. Today I want to share with you 5 things that I've learned over the years that will take you from a noob to a pro when it comes to mastering with EQ. Filtering. Even if you cannot hear the low end or the top end, that information still can mess up with your sound. I usually like to do gentle filtering, high pass and low pass in a musical way. This can result in a better headroom and a more defined sounding master. Smiley face curves. This trick is something that can benefit a master. Some low end and some highs can be everything a master needs. Low and high shelves are your friends. Mid-side cleaning. A lot of the times when the vocals sound muddy or buried in the mix, we can improve that by doing some corrective EQ on the side. This will bring the focus more towards the mid channel, improving the important elements like the vocals and drums. the 5K magic. Adding a couple of dBs around 5K can make a huge difference. This will lift up the vocals and make them brighter and more upfront, and it will add a nice sheen to the overall master. Warming it up. I listen to lots of records where they sound thin, like something is missing. If you want to add more depth and warmth to a track, try adding some lower mids around 200 Hz. In today's video, I've used the new Pulsar EQ. This is my go-to clean EQ when it comes to mastering, and that's because it has everything I need. From mid-side processing, a really nice filter, good auto gain, a de-esser that can deal with those really bright masters, and the sound of it is clean and punchy. A truly versatile EQ. You can get the plugin with the link down below. It's an affiliate link. I will get a small kickback, but I also have 5 licenses that I want to give away to all of the members of the channel. If you are a member of the channel, leave a comment down below and I will pick 5 different winners of the giveaway in 2 weeks. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.